Hey guys, I'm not gonna show you my face today, but I'm gonna show you what Rubik's cubes I solved today. I solved a 1 by 2 by 3 picture cube. Then I solved another 1 by 2 by 3 picture cube. And I solved another 1 by 2 by 3 picture cube. And then I solved a 2 by 2. And a 3 by 3. And a 4 by 4. And a donut cube or whatever it is. I don't think I have any more cubes, but I can, I don't know what to do right now, but I have to find a stand for my phone. So, okay, wait, let me try to do stuff with one hand here. Oh my god, it's very hard to film. It's very hard to film. Oh my god, sorry for that. If you can't see properly, then I'm sorry, because it's very hard to solve it. Oh no. Help. Okay, sorry if you can't see anything. By the way, I just found this place to film it. Oh, I just saw my finger go on the screen. But yeah, so it's pretty hard to solve with one hand. My English is pretty bad also. Okay, here it goes. And that was the hardest one to solve with one hand, because this is pretty smooth. This is my newest cube. Actually, no, the donut one is my newest, but this is my second. This I got on a ship. Oh my god, I can't move it. And this is the last one. Boom. Okay. So yeah, I'll do a video with my friend on my friend's channel, what's called Crystal Mods. He just got 5 subscribers yesterday, so please subscribe him. He needs subscribers more than me. And if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!